Ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor and a pleasure for me to be with you today. It's a fantastic idea to bring together young people with fresh ideas, and I think especially at this moment. Ukraine is going through very hard times. Architecture has so much to do with politics. You cannot imagine architecture just in an open space. Politics, society and architecture are in a very intense cooperation. So I'm very glad that Switzerland this year is the main supporter, main guest of this seminar. And thank you all for being here.
Very interesting to see this process of capacity building, have so many students, volunteers involved who really, they just don't work and don't see things, but they get the chance to talk to different people, to see the process of how to organize such an event. So all in all, Connections is a capacity building event for me, and it's a critical platform for discussing the urban transformations of Kiev, discuss architecture and urbanism in a kind of constructive, critical atmosphere. So it's good to it's good to also leave sometimes the city center, the kind of fancy areas, but also go somewhere where ideas are needed.
Very impressed. I have to say that I didn't know what to expect. It's my first time, and it's a strange time for Ukraine. It's from what we see from the European media, and the place is amazing. It's a beautiful space. There seems to be very interesting lectures and people. I'm impressed. Well, I wish it can stay as beautiful as it is now, and that the situation in Ukraine can allow the festival to continue, and I hope I can be back.
C'est un endroit qui est déjà incroyable où se tient ce festival. Je trouve que c'est fantastique. Et je pense que pour les étudiants, ce que j'ai pu un peu discuter avec 2-3 personnes ici, architectes comme hier, ça fera un bon écho à ces workshops. Je pense qu'il y a beaucoup de choses à en tirer. Et je pense que ce sera bien pour le futur de le continuer, et j'espère en tout cas moi y revenir peut-être à d'autres occasions, mais je pense que c'est une très bonne initiative. Pour ce qui est des événements, j'espère qu'il va y avoir de bons échanges entre des architectes étrangers qui pourront peut-être donner des impulsions ici pour des plans d'urbanisme, pour peut-être améliorer si quelque chose doit être amélioré. En tout cas, je pense que ces échanges sont importants pour le futur surtout.